Hello friends, Civil Quantity Insider by RG. Welcome to Practical Estimation and Costing Training Program. Today we learn for staircase how to practical and easy way to perform quantity takeoff like flooring, skirting, trade, riser, wall and soffit plastering, painting, etc. This is the quantity takeoff sheet. Here is the start with building name, level, description, region, number of units and floors, area, perimeter or width, height of walls, threshold, flooring, landing and mid landing, skirting, ceiling finish, riser and trade. Here in flooring and ceiling finish, we here consider only landing and mid landing area because trade and riser part is the considered separately in running method. Start with the first mark polyline to this plan area of staircase. Take area and perimeter. Then any deduction. Here is the one door and window. Riser and trade. Number of riser and trade. Here is the riser is the 20 numbers and trade is the 18 numbers. One number is trade less compared to the riser. But sometimes few clients given the trade to this area also. That time both are equal. Here is the workout the sloping soffit length. How to work out here the square root of formula. This height is the mid landing to the bottom of slab 1.875 into 1.875 plus this width is the flight is 2.7 meter. We get it here the sloping soffit length and width is the 2 meter. Here is the given height of walls. Here is the floor to floor height is the 3.75 meter minus only skirting. This, because this area also given the some kind of finish. Now deduction for door. Door height is the 2.4 minus 100 mm skirting. Here is the given window width and height. Now start with the threshold. Here is the given the 1 meter length threshold quantity. In the flooring, we consider landing and mid landing only. This part 4 meter into 2.25. Same here 4 meter into 2 meter. Now to work out the quantity of skirting. Simply numbers into perimeter. This is the plan area. But here we deduct this length and add here in bottom the sloping soffit length. We have to work out 3.29. Means instead of 2.7 we use this 3.29. Deduction of door. In skirting no deduction for window. Riser. Few client given the skirting in riser area also. And add this sloping length for skirting both the flights. Now wall plaster. Similarly, we have to use here number of floors, perimeter and height of walls. If here and here is the finishes difference, then deduct the slab thickness from this floor to floor height also. Then deduction of door, deduction for window. Now go for ceiling finish. In ceiling finish, we consider only landing and mid landing area because this area consider length into width, length into width. I mean, for this area in the flight, it considers the sloping length into width 2 meter. Add separately at bottom. This total ceiling finish is 30.15 square meter. Now riser, 20 number of riser and 2 meter width. Here is the given the height also. Similarly, trade. For the painting, add this quantity: wall plaster plus ceiling finish. If we give this link to wall plaster and ceiling finish, we automatically get it here the painting also. Thank you very much, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.